Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. As some of you guys will know, the video of today is all about the Baseus mouse. Now this mouse is so sleek, it's so amazing, and we're gonna just check it out and unbox it and review it. So let's get started. Throw it out. Whew, there we go. So as you can see guys, throughout here, this is called the Baseus F01B tri-mode wireless mouse. Now the goodness about this mouse, it's all about its functionality, it's all about portability, it's all about the way compact it is, and it's really great. And out of it, it uses Bluetooth. So it uses 2.4 gigahertz of dongle, and it uses a Bluetooth throughout it, and it's a silent mouse. They usually say silent mouse, and it has a 20-meter stable communication throughout the wireless, throughout the Bluetooth, throughout the 2.4 gigahertz. So anyways, I think it's really great, and it's an ergonomic mouse. So we're gonna just check it out and see what's packed through this bad boy. And yeah, so let's unbox it. So guys, this is our mouse here. We're gonna just unbox it and check it out how it is inside, and we use it and experience it, how it works, and we jump in through the conclusion, is it really worth it or not? So let's get started. So you're getting stickers from Baseus, which is really dope. They usually do that throughout entirely a lot of the products. You're getting a paperwork in here, which you can read out and understand about the mouse. And last but not least, here's our mouse. So as you can see guys, we're gonna just unbox it and check it out how it is inside this mouse. It seems to be really interesting, and whoa, check out this color. This color is so vibrant, and through here there is a scroll of orangish, which it's really amazing, and it feels really cool, and it's really silent. It does not make a lot of noise compared to the Logitech mouse, which it's M171. It makes a lot of noise whenever you're clicking it, but this mouse doesn't make any noise. It's just silence, which is really impressive. And throughout here, you're having your DPI button to interchange through the speed you want. And throughout the back, you can see here there is a button of on and off, and it's really impressive. The optical in here, and we're having another button through switching Bluetooth 1 through Bluetooth 2. Now the benefit of using this Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2 and 2.4 is just that you can switch between two devices at the same time, which is really impressive. And throughout here, it uses battery. It does not have any rechargeable through the mouse, so it uses battery throughout the mouse. So it's really quite impressive. And this is its dongle. The dongle looks really impressive. As you can see guys, here it's really cool. And yeah, that's really amazing. So we're gonna just jump out throughout using the mouse and experience it, how it works. The only thing which I can say downside, which I think they could just mash up, I understand there's another model which has this, it's the back and forward button. Really impressive, just like the way G6 has. G6 has the back and forward button, which is really impressive whenever you're using throughout your operating system and throughout application and all of that. It's really sounding great. But anyways, this is our Baseus mouse, and we're gonna just check it out right now and use it and explore throughout it, and it's gonna be really cool. Okay guys, so right now as you can see, I'm using the mouse right now, and it's really seamless throughout the desktop, and I can switch through the DPI. This is the slowest DPI, this is a little bit highest, and this is the most highest DPI, which is really great. Even if I open up Spotify, let's say I'm opening up Spotify throughout here, and I'm using Spotify throughout there. It's really amazing through navigating on this Spotify or using the mouse. It's really coming in handy. I can say it's really seamless, and you can just navigate anywhere you want. But when I switch throughout the DPI, the slower DPI, I can say the faster speed, it's just giving me a little bit of differentiation throughout there. So it's really worth it, and it's really amazing throughout using it, and it gives you some good and amazing aesthetics, I can say. and it's really incredible. Now on the other hand, we are having the Logitech M171. When we compare these two mouses together, you can see there's a slight difference. Like the Baseus is a little bit bigger compared to the M171. Quite impressive because it fits well on your hand and is quite impressive through all the ergonomics. Meanwhile, using the M71, sometimes I find it's a little bit spacing because my hand is a little bit bigger. So you have to know that whenever you're buying this mouse, make sure that your palm of your hand matches the comfortability of the mouse. I'll give you a good example. Like right now, I'm gonna keep the G6 mouse, and when I'm using it, it occupies my whole hand and my palm, and it's really great because it gives me really good flows on using it, and it comes really in handy compared to the Baseus, compared to the M171. But I can say the Baseus, it's quite really impressive throughout the usage out of it. Quite not bad, I can say, for that kind of compact and ergonomic mouse. Well, I can say Baseus nailed it throughout here. So guys, is the F01B really impressive mouse? To be honest, I can say yes, it's a really good mouse. For the people who have a little bit of a small palm compared to people like me, we are having big hands, so we would like something a little bit differently. But if you're having a small palm, this mouse, it's really compact and it's really ergonomic. And out of it, it comes with the Bluetooth, and you can switch through different multiple devices. You might be connecting it with your tablet and the other Bluetooth connecting it with your PC, so it gives you very nice, amazing kind of flow throughout using it. And out of this mouse, it comes really in handy throughout its ergonomic, and I give it go throughout this mouse. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Baseus mouse. And to be honest, I really adore the Baseus products. They usually come through different aesthetics and they slap them throughout different designs, and this kind of mouse comes with a different variety of colors, and there are a bunch of options out there. You can check them out. And last but not least, you might be saying, what's the price? Well, this mouse, it's really budget and you can grab it on AliExpress right now. There's a lot of deals. By the way, this video is not sponsored by AliExpress, but I decided to share with you guys my thoughts through all this bad boy. Anyways, it's really impressive, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. And this is the Baseus F01B. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this mouse, and I'll be seeing you smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.